We talked about this breakout, and here it comes. All right, we've been expecting higher prices with Veracity, and looks like we're going to get them here. All right, so we got a breakout started. We're going to get rid of this trend line over here. Okay, we got a breakout starting right here for the day. We are up 12.65%. Not too shabby. All right, we're going to take a look at a few things here in a second. See how high this thing could possibly go. All right, in the other videos we talked about this. All right, we talked about a W formation, perfect W. Okay, the question is when it gets up here, all right, is it going to break through or not? All right, so we're going to take a look at some RSIs and see what they're indicating, see what they're saying, and if we could possibly be heading a lot higher. Okay, so right now, you know, we are on a rally that is up 44%. Okay, since this started, so not too bad. Every $1,000 you had, you have 1,440 now. So every $100 you had, you have 144. So nice rally going here. All right, let's take a look real quick. We're going to get back to this chart in just a second. And if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, that helps me very much, guys. I could use the subscribers and the likes. Every bit helps, and I appreciate every single one of you that watch my videos. I really honestly do, and I can't thank you enough. That's why I do them. They're fun. Obviously, I am a very small YouTuber, so every member I have, every subscriber counts, and I'd like to give a shout out to my members because they help this channel extremely. Okay, if you see a level 4 or a level 3, that's the ones that got the trading videos, and I've got nothing but great feedback from them. And I can't, every single one of you guys, I cannot thank you enough. Andy, I love you, buddy. Been here since beginning. Jason, you've been here since day one. Blackman, you've been here since day one. Trapper, you're the best, bro. You've been here since day one. Baja, thank you so much, man. You've been here a long time. Lib, obviously, you've been here a long time. Ryan, thank you very much. Franny, noted trader. John, Will, thank you, Will. Marty, I love you, buddy. We talk quite a bit, me and Marty. So he's been here since day one. Elby, Benji Barker, Jay, thank you so much. Cuz, this one here, host thinking. It's pretty interesting. Level 3, man, thank you so very much. Will Hammers, thank you, buddy. You're the best. And Falconeer rejoined, was a member, rejoined for the trading lessons. Thank you so much, guys. You guys mean the world to me. Just an entry level, 99 cents a month, helps so very much. So, if it's something that interests you guys, I would very much appreciate it. It helps the channel. You have no idea how much it helps the channel. So, thank you so much, guys. I'll be getting out a new video this week for the members, another trading video. There's over 7 hours, 17 videos teaching you how to trade. So I put out a video a week. I try to get out one a week. Sometimes it goes a little over that, but I'll be getting a real exciting one out here within the next couple days for you guys. So be watching for it. You'll get a notification. Thank you. All right, so let's move on here. Let's get back over here. All right, number one, I want to take a look at the crypto bubbles. All right, for the month, look at this. All because of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin starts moving, this is what happens to the market right there. Okay, just for the last week, this is the top 100. Look at this stuff. Crazy, ain't it? Let's look here. Let's look at Veracity. There's Veracity, number 312. That's what you want, man. If you want to make big gains in crypto, and this is not financial advice, but in my experience from the last bull run, if you want to make the 100, the 500 X's, like I got into Matic at 2 cents. 2 cents, all right? It went over $3. I got into Gala extremely, as soon as it launched, I bought 250,000 Gala for $37.77. 250,000 gallon for 30, and it went to 83 cents. You know, I got into Cardano at 4 cents. This is the small market caps, $65 million market cap. These are the type of moves here. These things can 20x, 50x in a hurry. Okay, you know, it's crazy, but a $65 million market cap. Them are the ones that interest me very, very much. Okay, because they're the ones that it does not take a whole lot of capital to move them a lot, and when they move fast. That's what I love. When you get to the coins that are $10 billion, $20 billion, it takes a lot of money to move them. Okay, the smaller market cap ones, I love. I love them. You know, they seem to bounce extremely hard. So, $65 million market cap, 24-hour volume of 15.66 million, and we are down 28 spots to number 312. All right, so not too bad at all. All right, let's get back to these charts here and take a look here. All right, and what I've been talking about with explosiveness. If you go out to the weekly here, look at this run here. I mean, this thing went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In about 6 weeks, this thing did from bottom to the top, you know, a 4x. All right. So, if, for instance, if you had 10 grand in it, you now have 40. You had 40,000 by the end of that run. Okay. And I teach this in my trading classes, but I want to show you something here. All right. You can see this RSI. Okay, right here. Let's match this up here with price. Whoops, sorry about that. The RSI, when it was getting to the top here, okay, you were getting oversold. That gave you a really good indication. When this thing flipped over right there, okay, I want to enlarge this. Now, this is that same move, okay? When you got, let me get my arrow. When this happened right there, when that flipped orange, that's bearish. Okay, that's telling you that the price is probably going to pull back down. You're at the top. You're very overextended. You know, if not financial advice, but if you would have said, "Oh boy, I better sell right here," you sold. You waited for this thing to correct. Came back down. Ended up coming back down to here. Okay, and then say for instance you bought back in. You know, you would have saved yourself, you know, a 200% move, 2x. All right, so you would have held your money there just by using the RSI, and then you would have been able to get back in, and you'd be starting this run right here. So that just shows you the power of that RSI. All right, now what we're looking at here, this thing is making some a very nice move today. I apologize. My Wi-Fi I'm in my office in my garage, and I don't have my extender with me, so that's what's going on there. Okay, but getting a really nice pump here. The weekly RSI still heading up. It's at an 89 and an 84, still looking bullish. Okay, the monthly is still heading up. The monthly is the big one. That's the one I love to see. When you have the monthly heading up, you can get some really big moves. Okay, we got the daily still bullish, a 92 and an 86. All right, got the 12-hour. See where it's at here. Still bullish at a 90 and a 79. Still lots of room to come up. It's at a 75 down here. All right, so if we can take out this high over here, it's on. That's for sure. Okay, the 4-hour. Let's see where it's at. Come on, load up here. There we go. The 4-hour is still bullish. All right, so if we squeeze this thing up a little bit, okay, get rid of that stuff down there, all right, and we take a Fibonacci and put on here. Let's see where we are at. We are right, look how it hit that 786 on the dot. Okay, if we break through that 786 at 0.006475 roughly, right there, and we are right on it. Okay, if we break through that, looks like prices are going higher. Then we're going to end up attempting to break this. Okay, that's the big one right there. All right, and that price target for that thing. Let me get a price bar for you here. Where are we at? Right here. Okay, price label. This one right there. Okay, that's the big one. If we can bust that, all right, then we'll be looking at heading up to the 0.0087. That's the first target after the breakthrough here, and this thing could really get going. All right, so we have the monthly. The monthly RSI is still bullish, heading up. Look how low it is down here. Man, this thing could go so high. Look at it. It's the whole way down here at a 47. 4708. Okay, extremely low. That's what you want to see, especially when the rally's starting. Okay, because this thing could end up coming up and up and up and up and up. It's hard to say, but it's definitely going to come up. All right, so we got the monthly heading up. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. I'm going to get that off there. Let's get this off here so it ain't so jumbled up here. All right, we got the monthly heading up, looking beautiful. The weekly is still bullish. It's still heading up. And Veracity is looking beautiful. Okay, so keep a close eye on this area here and this area right where we're at that 786. We're going to put a line there, right there. Okay, that's another extremely important area that we have to break through. All right, we did wick up to that 0.00712. We wicked up there, but we got rejected. All right, I think this might be our time to finally get through there. Now, if we take a bigger, we put the Fibonacci on this next move up here. This is showing. According to this, if since we're breaking through that 786, we should be heading up to this 0.0085, 0.009, somewhere up in that area. All right. So this thing looks great, guys. Keep your eyes on it. It could move extremely fast with this small market cap. It doesn't take a whole lot of volume to move it, but if we get some serious volume coming in, watch for some explosive moves out of this thing. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you soon.